outside our solar system. When we assume the heliopause, and after 4 light years, we reach to another star system called Alpha Centauri system, or also Proxima Centauri system, which is a multiple star system, which are 3 stars: Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri A, and Alpha Centauri B. And there are many systems in our universe, and our universe contains
6 into 10 raised to the power 23. Wow, that's a lot of planets.
But there are more forming planets, and so many galaxies are being born right now. And a planet is formed when many rocks collide and a perfect circle is formed. Then a planet is formed. And a moon is formed when an object from like an asteroid goes or starts to orbit around a planet. It becomes a moon, or an object impacts the planet and forms the moon. Our universe is 93 billion light years big. Technically, the universe is 13.8 billion years old. This whole, the Milky Way is whole 100,000 light years big. If you are on the speed of light, rockets, which they don't exist, then you have to take 100,000 years to exit Milky Way. And this is just the scale of the universe, and how small we are.
We are insignificant.
What does that mean?
That means कि हमारी कोई हैसियत नहीं है.
Bye.